Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Krnl Injector failed to find Roblox process on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox Krnl Injector, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to press Windows plus R key. In this you need to type app data and hit enter. Here you need to open this roaming folder. In this, if you find any kernel folder, you just need to select and delete this one. After deleting, then go back, go to local folder. Here you need to find Roblox. In Roblox you will find on logs folder. You just need to delete that log folder. After that, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, you just need to do another setting. Just need to click on start menu, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security, click on virus and threat protection, click on manage setting. Under virus and threat protection setting, click on manage setting. You just need to disable this option, real time protection. You just need to disable this option. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Krnl Injector failed to find Roblox process. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.